Ever heard a beat that sounds oddly familiar? That's probably reggae or dancehall doing what it's always done, setting the trend. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most sampled reggae and dancehall tracks that made waves in hip-hop, R&B, and even pop music. Coming in at number 10, Bam Bam by Sister Nancy. Sampled by Kanye, Jay-Z, and countless dancehall remixes, it's the queen of samples. Number 9, Shinehead's Billie Jean Reggae Remix. A twist on MJ that inspired mashups for years. At number 6, Murder She Wrote by Chadamus Pliers.
Her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch of roses.
From Pitbull to French Montana, this rhythm refuses to retire. Number 3, Barrington Levy's Here I Come, sampled in Shine's Bad Boys and dozens of freestyle. And at number 1, Under Me Sleng Teng by Wayne Smith. This rhythm birthed the digital dancehall era and is the blueprint for modern sampling. Reggae and dancehall have been sampled so many times, they're practically baked into global music culture. Which track do you think is most legendary? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a beat.